Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Wig Wednesday. I got a brand new wig, y'all. I'll be reviewing STEVIE by Outre. Okay. I do have wigs that look like this, but not exactly. But anyway, I have it in the color 1B, but this color is really pretty too. Whatever color that is. It's beautiful. What color is that? In the center, DRFF2 2730. Dark root face framing 2730. That's pretty. So I have it in the color 1B. I'm taking it out of the package. I bought one of my daughters this wig for her birthday last week. I got her a dark auburn. So let me take all this stuff off. I usually don't do this on camera. This is how it's packaged up. Got all this stuff in it so I can hold its shape. And a little salt packet in it. So I'm going to cut the tag off and I'm going to cut the lace off, and then I'll be back. But let me show y'all. This lace, even though it only has a lace part, she's wearing hers in a center part. I don't know about that because I don't wear center parts. So it has regular wig cap construction, and it's stretchy and airy so your head can get some air. And it has a comb on each side by the ear tabs and a comb in the back, along with 2 adjustable straps in the back. So I'm going to go off camera and cut the tag off and cut this lace off. Then I'll be back. I don't know if I showed y'all the actual wig. That's how it looks. That pretty nice loose wave. So when I cut the lace, I always cut the center first. Just cut the center. And then I cut down each side. Then I'm going to put my MzBrazell notch right in the center of this part. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm through cutting the lace. And this part needs a little bit of plucking, just a little. So this is what I do. Just pull a few strands. And pull without tearing the lace. Just to open up this part. Just get a few strands. Y'all can't see. A little bit more in the front. Okay, that looks good. This is how much I pulled out. Okay, now I'm going to put some powder in this part. I'm using this. I'm going to put it in here on the inside. And this is what I mean by cutting my MzBrazell notch. I just cut a little, like a little V right there. So So there won't be a line of demarcation in the part. So I'm going to put this on. With a little brush. And I may even try wearing it as a center part. I'm not sure yet. Every blue moon I'll wear a center part. I like them on other people, but I don't think it looks right on me. So this is on the underside of the wig. Okay. Turn it over. That's what it looks like. It looks good. Got a little powder on the hair, but that's okay. I'm gonna take an eyebrow pencil and just see some of this lace is still on here around the edges, and it's pretty light, so if I have to, I'll just take my eyebrow pencil and color the lace. So let's measure this wig. See how long it is. I'm gonna measure from the inside last weft. I don't know why they don't put the length of the wig on the package. 16 inches long. So that'll be the hanging length, and it may look different on different people. Like me, I got a big head plus a long neck, and I'm tall. Some people got a smaller head, shorter neck, and they're short. So this may hang all the way down their back. So I'm using this kind of brush. It's pretty. It's like a silky, yucky texture. It's pretty. Trying to figure, do I need to spray it? I don't need to. But y'all know me. Use some VIA oil-free wig shine. So it has a natural sheen to it. But y'all know I be doing the most. It smells so good. Okay. Bring some life into it. Okay, let me put on this wig grip. I'm gonna wear this as a side part. I'm gonna wear it as a center part, y'all. For once. And I just got my own hair. I got it in a ball. Let me put some. I'm putting some powder on this lace here. Good. Okay. And I'm only going to attach the back comb up under my tucked under ball braid. Put it on good. I don't want no cone head right here. Now I'm stretching this up under my tucked under braid, attaching the comb. It has bendable ear tabs. I don't want them touching my ears. I'm all for comfort, y'all. I don't want nothing feeling funny on me, and I got to keep adjusting. Okay, that's good. Oh, wow. I need to pull it back a little more. My own edges to show. Let's see. Make sure this ball ain't sticking out. I'm just trying to smash it. Okay, I like this. This reminds me of the Freedom Park wig 202, I believe. I loaned one to my granddaughter, and I ain't seen it since. Well, this is pretty nice. Okay. I'm going to take this powder and this brush and go in right here. I have a widow's peak. I'm going to go right over the widow's peak into the part. Why's that so low? That looks good. I'm going to take this eyebrow pencil and darken the lace. Y'all see that? I don't want none of that showing. This wig is very lightweight. It's big head friendly. It fit my big old head. Okay. Just darkening this lace, yeah. So you know ain't nobody gonna be pulling it back like this. I just want to do it now, so I don't have to do it later. Okay, once again, this wig is called Stevie. This is how she looks. I think it's cute. And I have it in the color 1B. It's heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It has Swiss lace eye parting. So this is the lace. It's soft. I like this kind of lace. And it's light. So you're going to have to color it with something. Okay, it's by Outre. I think I want this color. Trying to get my thumbnail. Nice and full, but it's not too full. It's pretty. Yeah, I can get used to wearing the center part. This is all the hair to the front. right side. Back. So nice and full it is. And left side. Okay. Yeah, I like this center part. My earrings gotta show y'all. Let me see if I can touch some of this hair and there go that lace. I'll fix it. Darken that lace. Tuck this behind my ear. Get closer. See what y'all think. Nice long part. How long is this part? Looks like it's about 5 inches. Five-inch part. Very nice. Get my thumbnail. Stevie. I don't know why I say lace front. It's just lace part. Really didn't need all that lace I cut off. It's a shadow. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Bye.